Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be going over my Smile Direct Club journey. This is a week in, so today is the day I switch out my aligners from month 1 week 1 to month 1 week 2. So let's get this thing started. So first I'm going to talk about my week experience with these aligners. I learned to talk with them, so it looks more natural when I talk. The bottom tooth has shifted more. I can tell because it was more like how my tooth was. It was kind of like leaning, but now it moved like this. So I'm kind of happy with that. And other than that, like, remember what I told you guys the last video, that your aligners will sometimes catch a default, like in the plastic, and mine's have. Like I told y'all about the one that was in the back that was scraping my tongue and I had to file that down. Now up here, for somehow it's like the plastic was bent out just a little bit, so when every time I go to put them on and take them off, it would scrape up against my gum. It scared me. Like, I'm not going to show y'all, like right now we're still in the process of healing, but I'm like, oh my gosh, this aligner is like scraping up on my gum, making me feel like I'm gonna have a receding gum line, like only over this too. But it's growing and it's healing back, or whatever, however you want to put it, but everything's okay with that. But other than that, the pain has literally subsided within the day, like I told you guys. So I'm going to switch out my aligners today. Whew. I am so scared because I know that the pain is going to be like excruciating. Like the first day, the pain is always excruciating. So I'm about to switch it out now. Let's get to it. Okay, so they do want you to keep your aligners. So like I said, I was gonna do month 1 week 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do my tops first. Okay, y'all see how easy that just came out? It wasn't like a hassle. So you get my drift. So later I'll rinse that off. So okay, so this is my tee. Still with those gaps or whatever. And now I'm about to put my week 2 in. Okay, one moment, because one moment. Okay, I'm back. So I have to go grab my chewies. I'm talking funny right now because they're not all the way in. So let me pull the bottoms out. Okay, these are my bottoms. This is the tooth that shifted. And these are my new ones. Oh my God. Hold on. Okay, so it feel like it don't fit here. I feel the tightness there. Huh. It feels so weird. I do feel a tightness, okay, but now I gotta put these in, and it's feeling crazy right now. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm not being dramatic. Ugh.
I'm not being dramatic. Ugh.
Y'all, I'm not being dramatic. Whew. Okay. Woo, guys, when I tell you the pressure is like, imagine like somebody grabbing your jaw. Like, that's what it feels like right now. But I'm feeling like I feel like this week I'm gonna get like a lot of progress and a lot of more results just by how hard it was to put it on and just by the tightness that I'm getting. Okay, so I'm gonna bite on this one more time to like make sure it's all the way secure. I feel better once I hear like, it's like a click that you hear once it like latch on all your teeth. But this is it, guys. So okay, and I forgot to let you guys know that I remember informing you guys last week about my baby teeth. Just to let you guys know, my baby teeth are fine. Right now, I don't feel as much pressure on my baby teeth, but once I start feeling pressure, I'll let you guys know. Especially for those of you that got accepted with baby teeth. But as of right now, I'm fine. I am planning on getting implants for the future, if ever so. Like if these want to just fall out. When it come down to baby teeth, guys, like I don't know. I think it's in my dad genes, but once they did x-ray on my teeth with my baby teeth, there's no roots there. Like the roots are about that big. It's not even big at all. So I am taking a risk, but at the end of the day, I'm still satisfied of the decision that I made. So just remember, guys, like if you ever want to just improve yourself or whatever, you have to take some risks and don't be scared to do it. So as of right now, I am satisfied. Also, if you guys want me to post like every other week, then I'll post every other week with my progress. But comment below and let me know if you rather see me post every week or every other week. Okay, guys? Till next time. See you later. Hey, guys, I'm back again. I forgot to inform you while I was doing my review. As you can see, I'm in a whole different scenery, but there will be a link below if you're interested in straightening your teeth. You can get 50% off your kits. I am a Smile Direct Club ambassador, so go ahead and save your coins and click the link.